Hi everyone, welcome back to another informative video. Today in this video, I'm gonna talk about how you can easily remove a noise from your recorded audio. So if you are a video creator and creating videos for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram or any other platform, so you must be wondering that there are some noise in your audio. So how you can remove that noise, I am going to explain you in this video. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. To remove the noise from audio, I am going to use the software Audacity. So here I have opened the software. Now I am going to choose the file. So here you have to click on file option, then go to open options and you have to select your file. So I have selected my files and here you can see this is the audio and here you can see in between the audio this is the noise. So now I am going to show you the noise first, then I will remove the noise from my audio. Now listen to the noise first. So this is the noise. Now I am going to remove this noise. So what you have to do is, first you have to select this noise. Like here I have selected the noise. Now what you have to do is you have to go to effect option and then go to the noise reduction. So here you can see there is a pop-up option. Now you have to click on get noise profile. So once you will click on get noise profile, it will fetch the profile of this noise. Now what you have to do is you have to select the entire audio clip by Ctrl A. Here you can see the entire audio clip has been selected. Now you have to go again to effect, then click on noise reduction and then just click on OK. Here you can see the noise has been removed. Now if you want to remove it again, like you have to select the noise and then go to effect and click on noise reduction and just take another get noise profile. Now select the entire file by clicking on Ctrl A option, then go to effect and then noise reduction and then click on OK. By this way you can easily remove the noise from this audio. Now let me show you the noise. Here you can see there is no noise. By this way you can easily remove noise from any audio file. So this is the best software I have ever seen. Once you remove the noise from your audio file, then you have to go to file option, then click on export. Now you have to export it as the WAV file, export as WAV. So click on it and then click on save. OK. By this way you can easily export your noise free audio file. That's all in today's video. I hope you have liked the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.